Okay, you made your spot on the carpet. I'm all over.
Come on, you can do it. Yeah.
Come on. Flip over. Flip over? I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you.
Just be prepared when she screams in your ear.
When she what?
Screams in your ear. Victoria, I told him you could roll over, and you were going to show him. Okay. Yeah, you were going to show him.
Oh, you going to roll over on me?
Yeah.
Really? Don't talk about it. Do it.
You do it all the time. You do it all the time.
He's gonna crawl away.
Just let him be grown up. He'll screech and stuff, and then he'll finally decide to roll over. After he realizes nobody's going to pick him up. Well, you can do it. If you want to be on your back, then flip over. Come on.
Oh, there we go, there we go.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Come on, a little more.
Yeah, you won.
That rope stuck there for a little bit.
Oh, Logan's getting ready.
Do that kind of love it, you know what I'm saying? But next time.
Oh, now what, huh?
Yeah.
She gets mad because she can't
Alright,
go anywhere.
kids. Behave. It's a baby. Oh, snap. I got it out.